Hi, this is Queen from AEvent Support. In this video, I'll be showing you how to schedule an Astream timeline. So to start, let's log into your AEvent account. Once you are logged in, make sure that you have an Astream timeline created. Currently, we have 4 Astream timelines on my account, so we will be using this one. So once you have an Astream timeline ready for scheduling, you just have to click on Schedule an Event from the dashboard. And then you just have to select the timeline that you want to schedule an event for. This is the first schedule option that you can schedule. So, first is a one time schedule. So, let's say I want to schedule an event for Tuesday at 6 p.m. So, you simply have to select the date, the time, and then click on schedule event. And that would create the schedule for Tuesday. So, here it is. When you check schedule events, it will be there. Now, next, let's try and create a recurring schedule for this timeline. So you simply have to click on recurring. We want it to start on Wednesday, and I want it every day at 6 p.m. So here you have to select the recurring schedule if you want it daily, hourly, every minute, or weekly. So in my case, I want it daily at 6 p.m. So 6 p.m. daily, and I want it to expire, let's say, after 5 instances. Or if you want it to never expire, to just continue creating that schedule daily, just click on never. Or you can set a specific date on when you want it to expire. So if I want it to expire on, let's say, the 29th at 6 p.m., the scheduler will stop creating that schedule after 6 p.m. on the 29th. So for now, let's set it to after 5 instances and then click on schedule event. And there you have it. We have successfully created that schedule as well. Now, another way to schedule an event is if you want to set it, if you want to create an evergreen schedule. So we'll be selecting the timeline again. From here, on the time zone, you just have to select evergreen. So what this does is it will show the same time regardless where the viewer's time zone is. So if I set this to 6 p.m., and I set it to today. I want it to start today. Set it to never. So if anyone accesses your registration page, regardless of where they are or what time zone they're from, they will be seeing 6 p.m. So if I'm from the Philippines, I'll be seeing the schedule at 6 p.m. If you are from an EST time zone, you'll be seeing the schedule at 6 p.m. as well, and also those from a PST or a CST time zone. So you just have to click on schedule event, and that evergreen schedule will be available on your registration page. So that would be all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to contact support. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, and subscribe to our channel so you'll get notified of our future uploads. Thank you for watching.